Some men dream about the freedom of traveling wherever they want, while others dream about building the perfect Land Cruiser, one that would move like a stream of air, one that would provide first-class living accommodations anywhere they want to go. Because of your dreams of luxury and travel, and others like you, Airstream's quality is the best value for the long-term satisfaction our customers demand. With our half-century of leadership and knowledge of recreational vehicles, Airstream's motorhomes are the refinement of a tradition of 50 years of excellence. The Airstream motorhome starts with a rugged GM chassis and a dependable 8-cylinder gasoline engine, and customizes it to our exacting standards. Airbags are installed and bolted to the chassis for smooth riding comfort. Let's take a close look at our exclusive CMA suspension system. When going over a bump or curb, the rear wheel moves a lever that lets air in or out of the airbags. This unique CMA suspension overcomes the problems of other tag axle designs, like ascending a curb from a dead stop, with an additional benefit of the anti-sway wide-track torsion bar of the Henshin CMA axle makes this motorhome handle better than any other motorhome anywhere. The shock absorbers are in place, hydraulic jacks are being checked out, and the rugged tubular steel floor framing has been placed over the chassis and welded to the chassis frame. This is the pull-out battery compartment, which also has a convenient jack and tool storage. The storage tanks and hose reels are located below the floor for a low center of gravity. The living area is protected from below with this one-piece metal sheet being rolled out over the floor framing and pop riveted to the steel framing. With the exterior fuselage completed, it is picked up and swung out over the chassis and carefully lowered. What you are seeing is exceptional proof of the tremendous strength the Airstream fuselage has. Notice that the entire fuselage is being carried by only 2 pickup points, the front end and the rear end. There are no roof-carrying beams or floor beams to support the weight, and still we see no sag or bending of this unique, super strong but lightweight Airstream fuselage. The fuselage is lowered onto the one-piece metal underbelly protector, and then the fuselage and floor is bolted to the undercarriage, then subjected to a 20-minute high-pressure water test. The inspector remains inside during this test to make sure there is not any possible leakage. This is just one of our 96 quality inspections. Hundreds of feet of electrical wiring is installed throughout the interior. Connections are made at the terminal boxes and service panel and then thoroughly checked out so that this special caulking for lasting water tightness can be applied, and this thick mattress of fiberglass insulation that covers every square inch of the interior is then hidden behind this strong layer of aluminum skin that has been vinyl laminated for an attractive and easy cleaning interior. The completion of the outside and inside skin of special cold-rolled super high-quality aluminum and the 2.5-inch fiberglass insulation sandwiched between completes Airstream's superior, lightweight but durable semi-monocoque fuselage construction, whether it be an Airstream motorhome or an Airstream travel trailer. Airstream's quality, experience, and craftsmanship does not stop with the structural elements. It's just the beginning. An Airstream motorhome is not simply a way to travel. It is a way to live in luxury and convenience as you have in your own home. The kitchen is full of many standard features you might even consider luxuries in your own home. Beautiful cabinetry over this charming dinette area, done in tastefully selected color-coordinated fabrics. A bedroom anyone could relax in, complete with thick inner spring mattresses on all beds. A hickory-framed mirror, medicine cabinet, and a one-piece cultured marble vanity sink. This brass shower head and brass fixtures and a custom-designed shower with a fold-away decorative shower door all adds up to uncompromising quality that is standard on every Airstream. Luxurious living wherever your travels may take you. Superior drivability, an important factor that sets Airstreams apart from any other motorhome. Airstream's sleek aerodynamic designed fuselage slips through the air, requiring less horsepower and less fuel and lower operating costs. Over 1/2 century of proven durability, with 60% of all Airstreams built and sold in the last 50 years still on the road today, adds up to an exceptionally sound investment. We're proud of every Airstream travel trailer and motorhome we build, but before we can turn one over to you, we must finish our 96-point quality factory inspection every Airstream receives before leaving our factory. So if you would like to explore a new freedom in comfort and luxury, ask your dealer to show you all of the special features we didn't show you, and take a test drive in an Airstream motorhome or trailer. It's the only way for you to experience the meaning of Airstream value and quality. You have seen the quality behind the sleek exterior of every Airstream. You have also seen our people carefully construct and nurture every detail to ensure the finest craftsmanship our heritage has to offer. Now you too know why only an Airstream is built like an Airstream. Airstream is part of the Thor Industries.